welcome back to my channel. I have a little shopping haul today, I guess, from Coach, Horse and Wheel, H. Pylori, Hufflepuff. I'm making dad jokes. I'm basically a dad. I don't have any kids though. I have one kid. Chai, come here. I'm trying to do too many things at the same time, I think. I'm still trying to figure it out. Enough with the jokes. I'm just trying to find my place in the world, you guys. Doing a Hermes unboxing. So I already unboxed some of these things, obviously. I got some that I'm gonna unbox with you right now, and some I'll just show you what I got later. And I don't know what that is. I do love luxury so much, and I do love shopping, so I thought that I would try doing some unboxings. I obviously went shopping today and got a little bit of a luxury haul. It's H for horse, I think, right? Oh no. Oh, it's... Anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this brand, Orange Mango. And I got a couple things. I already unboxed some of the things because I couldn't wait. We'll just show you some of the stuff I got, like that. Icky, meeny, miny. Well, no. Okay, this way. Oh, I just kind of destroyed the bag. Well, so we'll start with this bag. Oh, I also got some Van Cleef and Arpels. There's some motherboard. I could do an unboxing of that too, maybe separately. These are like such... It's my first time getting a VCA, and I am very excited to share these with you too. But we'll put them over here for now, out of the way, and on the floor now, and they might have cracked and broke. Because this is just too much. There's too much going on. And this is just like too much brand. Like I'm trying to just like throw it in your face. Okay, cut. And we're back! Okay, so I gotta get everything out of the way because there was just too much going on and there's too many bags, and we picked this one, so this is the one that I'm gonna unbox. Little ribby rib. Love the ribby rib. You know, you could like actually turn this into your own. Oh, anyway. So here's the... I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got a bunch of stuff. I got a great new SA who I love. He's the best, and I can't wait to continue working with him. I'll put in some other videos of some of the stuff that he showed me at the store, which is really exciting. Actually, there's this bag that I'm looking at that is really exciting, and I will post a little video about that at the end of this, or as a separate one. Stay for the end. Stay for the end. These are so cute too, by the way. Okay, tangent, but like you could like wear this as its own little bracelet. Or just like use it as like a little scarf or a little hair thing, or like a tie around your bag. Let's do it to something. You know something it is. Oh, my blanket is falling down. Oh, good goodness. I'm gonna shift that over because, you know, I don't. Goodbye. Okay, I had to take a break because it was getting hot. I was starting to sweat. And here's my dog. He's real, my little pup. See? I do have kids, and I am a dad. I wasn't lying. Anyway, great. So we're just gonna do this one back. Okay, so this thing, you can like literally, did I already talk about this? You can just wear it like a little scarf. Or you can wear it like a little bracelet. Or you can use it to tie things together. It's just like so versatile. It's for free. So just like use everything you can. Or you can make a little bag charm. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway. Okay, bad son. Got 3 things in here in this bag. Lucky bag number 3 had 3 things in it. And then 1, 2, 3 was bag number 2. But that's fine, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna do the first thing. We'll do, yeah! Oh, look at this bug. So pretty. Look, another one of these fancy ribbon things. Oh my god, what am I gonna do with all these ribbons? I got so many. Oh, this is so exciting. So they tie it really well. It's so cute. It's wrapped perfectly, like a little present, okay? Okay, we're gonna unbox it. All right, let me just open it. 1 sec. Time out. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, look at that. How pretty are they? These are really nice dust bags. So soft. So I got, look at these beautiful dust bags, you guys. So nice. You got the little Hermes logo on them in that traditional beige color. And surprise, surprise! Oh, how beautiful are those, huh? Look at that soft, chocolatey, brownie. It feels like butter. It feels like butter. They feel like silky butter. I'm gonna get both of them out. Oh. Yucky. So nice. Okay, this is a like very traditional sandal. It's very recognizable style. It doesn't say, it's not very flashy at all. I mean, it's an H, but like it's not flashy. But it's not like brandy and like only if you know, you know, kind of thing. It says Hermes right there once, and it says it once on the bottom. But nobody's looking at the bottom, and nobody's ever looking at that, right? Because you're wearing them unless you take them off. But it is so soft. They're so comfortable. It just feels like butter. It feels so like rich. That's what it feels like. Even the bottom of the shoe feels like, oh, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a suede, soft, you just put it on my face. Oh, I love these. I could sit like this forever. This is the most amazing feeling in the entire world. And they're just beautiful. And you guys should all get a pair. Look, so pretty, so pretty. Yeah, that's it, guys. Empty box. Says the stuff right there. Can you see it? All right, guys. That's one. Intermission. Cut. Next thing I got, yeah, I hope you guys love that. Okay, next thing I got, it didn't come in a box, which I was like, why didn't you put it in a box? But like, maybe they don't do that with people. The next thing I got, okay, this is the next thing I got. Obviously, it's closed. It comes with a little sticker. Oh my god, this paper is so nice. Like, you can keep it, you can use it as like toilet paper. It's gonna be soft on your butt because it's from Hermes. So just take it and like cut it up in little squares and use it as a little toilet paper. Am I kidding? Maybe not. Am I funny? Alright, so I got clothes. I got this really cool shirt. I really liked it. It was like the last one they had. It didn't have an extra small, which is kind of sad because I feel like I'm now an extra small because I lost a lot of weight and I can't fit into any of my clothes anymore. So I had to get more clothes. This is a small, but I had my essay bring out a bunch of extra small stuff, or he's gonna order me a bunch of extra small stuff to try or whatever when I go back in on Saturday. So anyway, this is my small shirt and I love this shirt. And it's so cool. It comes in a burgundy and like a yellow, but they didn't have the burgundy and yellow. I kind of wanted the burgundy, but it's already sold out and it's like their fall colors and it's like gone now. So like, boop, this was the only one left in this color and this size, like the only one in the country or something. He did one of those little searches and told me like there was zero inventory everywhere, none online, none in the world, blah, 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 blah. So this was the only shirt left in this color and this size. So I got it. Yes, it's a plain t-shirt. Those are Hermes. It's small. It's like this beautiful little bluish color, but more than a t-shirt, it's got a little bit of really cool detail that I really like, I think. So, here we go. Oh, see that? It's long sleeve. And it's got this double pocket thing going on. And they're both pockets. And it's like, I really like it. There's these giant pockets on the side and like one's off center. And they're huge. I mean, you can put your phone and your wallet in here, I guess. I don't know. You can put other stuff in here. Or you can do nothing with it and just have it just be like two cool pockets. I just think it's cool because it's a little like, you know, not your regular t-shirt. I mean, the back's plain. But I just thought it was really cool. I'm going to try it right now. It kind of little tag that tells you the name of the shirt and stuff. It says t-shirt ML Twist and Push. Twist and Push. 65 Petrol SM, and then some other fancy stuff. Nice little tag, a little dry cleaning tag here that tells you to not wash it ever. No, actually it doesn't really say anything. 100% cotton. Ooh, it's 100% cotton. Fancy. Oh, I've never worn 100% cotton before. This is real exciting. This is so exciting, guys. Oh my goodness. I'll put it on. I'm gonna put it on. Should I put it on? There's no tag that tells me any washing instructions. So I'm guessing I can just wash it normal. I feel like this is, I thought this was like a leather detail, but I guess it's cotton too. It's definitely something else, but maybe it's cotton. So if it says 100% cotton, it's 100% cotton, right? That's what means it's 100% cotton. Oh no. Yeah, it's got nylon and something else in here. We're gonna take a quick intermission while I try this shirt on, and then I'll put it on for you to see. Also, it's got these little slits on either side, kind of like that, which is kind of cool. I always like that on shirts because I just think it's like, it's a little big on me, obviously, but intermission's over and we're back. Okay, I don't know. That stands. I don't know. Here it is. It's so pretty. I really like how this sits. That's how it looks inside. You can kind of just see. Maybe I'll just like chop off my head and you can just see the shirt. That's what I feel like what's happening right now is that you're not really seeing my head, but you're seeing my body. So that's fine because you're here to look at the shirt, not to look at me. Yeah. And the stitching is like this like light brown. Oh, it's so... And you can see the stitch of the other pocket in the other pocket, even though it's not actually there because this pocket opens up, right? So it's like double stitched. Wow, double stitched. It's like double Dutch. Woo! All right. So we're gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back. And our last unboxing. Third thing for today. So here's back right here. Box right here. I guess you can kind of tell what it is. I don't know if you can tell. It's a beautifully long box, but oh yeah, you can. Because it says it right there. But you didn't see that. So I'm gonna pretend you didn't see that. Okay. I'm hiding what it says. I'm hiding what it says. You can't see it. But it's got our beautiful bow again. Look at that. Oh. So pretty. Okay. Should I not show you the front? Well, it says that on one side and it says the name of the product on the other side. Look at that. But oh my god, this is so nice. It's got a little pouch, you guys. This pouch is like so soft. It also says the name of the product here, so I'm gonna keep hiding it. And then you open it. Oh my god. This is the nicest little packaging I've ever seen. Okay, I'll just tell you. It's an air tag. It's the bag charm. The bag charm, yeah. Which I'm gonna put right here on this bag. Or maybe like one of my little bags, because like I always use my shit. Or maybe I'll put it in my wallet. Or maybe I'll put it on my keys. They have a key one too, actually. I want to get the key one too. They have a key one, they have a bag charm one, and then they have a third one. You can also just buy like 4 of them from Apple for like $400 for $100. 4 for $100, so $99 for 4, so $25 each. And then you can also just buy these separately, just the leather parts. So you can put them together. I don't know if it's cheaper or worse. I'll figure it out and tell you later. Cheaper or more expensive, not worse. I'm tired. It's late. Okay, so but yeah. Hermes makes these really nice like leather, so I'm just gonna take, it's like their bag charms, like it's just like it's the leather feels like butter. It's like so soft. And this one's so squishy. Oh well, those were 2 of the unboxings from earlier. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Also, I'm gonna do a video on Collier later, and also like different ways to wear this bag, because like look, you can like fold it in like this, and then you have this like cute little like trapezoidal bag, which looks like very different, but it's still, you know, it's still the St. Louis tote. Anyway, cut. We'll do that later. Okay, back to this. Okay, so it's got, look at that. Oh, so pretty, right? So on one side, it's got 2 little pouches inside. I don't know if you can see this. It's got like 2 little pouches sections. And this side is the air tag. It's all wrapped up, and it says Apple air tag, and it says Hermes too. And it's got a little pamphlet here. Guide setup. Wow! And then it's got the actual air tag in this little thing. And you know what? I'm gonna take this out later. Oh no, I'll take it out now. It's very Apple-y. It's like wrapped up and like completely covered in that little plastic. But it like sits so nicely in here. So I'm just gonna put it right back, because I'm gonna set this up tomorrow, because I'm not functioning enough to figure out how to do this. Unless it's like super easy, and I'm sure it is, but I have to like connect it or like whatever, airdrop it or whatever it is. So on this side, that's the string. Oh, that's weird. Still feels soft like butter. I got it in the red color, obviously, because red's my favorite. It's got a little pouch in here, and then, oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. So like, wait, oh, you probably like stick this through. I don't even know how to do this. The air tag goes in here. Ugh, it's just so well made. God, it's so well made. Everything's so well made. It's like just happiness and joy and beautiful. It says Hermes, Paris, made in France on the back. There's gotta be a way to do this that I just don't know. There's also more instructions in here. Oh, it's just like a bunch of instructions and like Apple guidelines and like poopity poop stuff. Okay, we're gonna look through that later. Is there any instructions on how to attach this air tag to this thingy? Oh, so you just open it up right here, and the air tag goes in right there. Oh, that's so great. Oh, it's so soft. I can wear this as like a little finger thing. I don't know what I would do it as, but oh, it just feels so good. It's like a little like finger pouch. Oh. Maybe for your thumb, like to like touch things and doors. No, you wouldn't want to do that. I would use this for something. I don't know what. Guys, what would you use this for? Put it in the comments below. I'm gonna have to take this back to him and have him show me. I'm going again. I gotta go pick up some other things that I bought, and then like also try on some other things. So I'm just gonna go back and have him show me, because I cannot for the life of me figure out how to do it. You guys, does it say anything special in here? Oh, it's just like stitched really well. Okay, well that's the third thing, and that's it for today, because it's 3 a.m. or whatever time, 2:30, and I'm tired. I hope you guys like this video, and did I say I was gonna say something special at the end? I feel like I was gonna give you something special, like a tidbit. I did it! Okay, so I got it through like that. I guess it wasn't that hard. And then you're supposed to pull it all the way through and then loop it through like that. Oh no, I can't do this until I put the actual air tag in. I'm gonna have to redo it. Damn it! Also, I think I did it the wrong way, because the wrong color is shown on the outside. It's red on one side, and then it's kind of this like burgundy on the inside, which it's not reversible, because this side isn't. It kind of matches this little brown burgundy on the side. C, do, re, mi. Well, I'm gonna have to redo that until I put the air tag in. So let's put the air tag in. No, I'm gonna end this video. Stop talking. Okay, I'm done. Bye. This is like a $300 thing, which is like a really good entry-level price for Hermes if you want to just like try something. Or their bag charms, I think, are like $4. This was like $5 or $6, maybe $6. And this one was like $4.45. So these are like all entry-level things if you want to like try a lower price point. Or they're like coin things, like they're coin purses, or they're like little card holders and stuff. Are all good just to like dabble in the brand and see if you like it. This is $300, and it's practical,
I think the keyring one is $350, and then there's one more for the whatever other kind of one they have, if they do, and I'm not confused, and it's another price point. Maybe it's like $500 or $600. For $300, you can like experience and feel the like material and how the product, like how the leather is. It's just such good leather. It's so good with leather. And like, look at how well it's packaged for like, you know, it's like just like, it's the attention to detail. This is also, I could live with this in the bottom of the sandals. It's very versatile, right? I mean, maybe you could make this into a bracelet if you wanted to. Oh, look at that. You got a little, whatever that is. Maybe I can wrap it a third time. Oh, I would wrap it around my thumb like this. Ah, genius, Monarch. I'd wrap it around my thumb and wear it like this little weird, I'm totally gonna wear this like this. It's like a little like, you know, side bracelet. I could buy one more of these just for this. I want to find out how much it is just by itself. I'm going to ask my essay, but I'm going to ask him in person. Think about what you text them. Don't text them all the time. I mean, I guess you can, but like they have thousands of clients and like, are they going to respond? I don't know, maybe you're a big spender. If you're like I'm not a big spender. I'm trying to build my way up. Oh, I was going to tell you about this bag. I forgot. Okay. I'll tell you about the bag later. Okay, bye. I'm done.